What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A6 2K18, and you can see the box is in front of me, and this is in blue color, and there are few other colors like silver, and in some regions there is also gold color available for this cell phone. So right now we have some specifications written on the box. You can see it is 64 gigabytes of storage, Super AMOLED display, and this is the infinity display, which means it is 18:9 aspect ratio, and it is a full metal body. We have the 4G LTE 64-bit octa-core processor, which is 7870 Exynos processor, and we have 4 gigabytes of RAM, and the front facing camera and the rear camera both are 16 megapixels. So you can see this is the dual SIM model also. So these are few of the details which are written on the box, and let me just simply unbox this phone now. I have already removed the seal of this box, so you can see this is IMEI written, and you can see this is the phone itself. Again, we have the same things written which were on the outside of the box. So let's put it at a side and let's see inside of the box. And you can see right now we have the paperwork on the very beginning, and next up we have this charging cable. Let me see if this is micro USB or USB type C, and you can see clearly this is micro USB, this is not USB type C. So next up we have these hand frees. So these are just ordinary hand frees, and next up we have this charger. So you can see this is 1.5 ampere charger. So maybe this is a fast charger, but we have to check it if this is a fast charger or not. So these are few of the things which were present inside the box, and we do not have anything else present inside the box. So let me just bring the phone in front of the camera now. So let's just bring this phone out of this wrapper, and it is very beautiful design. You can see it is blue color, and it just looks gorgeous in the hands. It is very lightweight. I can simply say this is awesome device, and the design language is also awesome. So let's start from the right side. You can see these are the speakers, and we have this power button by which I just turned on this device, and on the left side we have these volume rockers, and we have here the SIM tray, and next up we have this slot too. Maybe this is the micro SD card slot, and this is the dual SIM slot. So we do not have the hybrid slots, we have separate slots for these things. And next up we have this micro USB slot and 3.5mm headphone jack, and these are the antenna bands. And we have this camera with a fingerprint scanner moved towards the bottom side, and a flash on the back. So you can see the phone is in front of me right now. We have the front facing cameras, and we also have a flash on the front facing cameras. That is interesting to see. So let's move next and let's set up this phone. And you can see we are moving, and let's just agree to all these terms, and let's just skip it, and let me just set up a fingerprint scanner. So you can see let's move next and set up with a pattern, continue, and we are just good to go. And right now I am going to try my left finger. So you can see I'm just putting it on the fingerprint scanner. So right now we are working great. Actually, I was not moving my finger, I was just placing the same position again and again. That's why it was happening, that it was failing. And right now we are moving, and we have a new kind of software integration on the very first. We have these things by which we can enable different things, but we are just going to skip it, and I will be making a separate video for all these tips and tricks for this device too. So stay tuned on this channel for those videos, and let's just skip this too. And right now we are just concerned with the unboxing of this device. So we are just all done and the phone is just ready to use. You can see how beautiful the display is, 18:9 aspect ratio. And let's just move into the settings and have a look at the software version. And you can see, if we check out the software information, we are running on Android 8.0 and the experience version is 9. So that is great to see that we are having Oreo inside the box in this device. So this is all about the unboxing of this device, and I will be posting all the videos related to this device, the gaming reviews and the speed test. So for these videos, stay tuned on the channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.